My daughter turns 10 tomorrow. I'm really sad about it. But I got some things, so let's open all these up. Alright, this is like gifts and stuff for her party. Her party's not tomorrow. Rainbow birthday party, so it's a photo booth top. Okay, it's like these rainbow foil things. She's having an art party, so I don't know. We'll use this as like a backdrop in here, I guess. And I think I'm gonna put this stuff up tonight. So it'll be up for her for actual birthday tomorrow, and it'll be up for her party. Harley, how come every time I'm filming you want to go outside? Multiple times. I got like some artsy tablecloths. All right, on to the big ones. Oh, this is something she's really been wanting. It's kind of goofy that it comes in a bag, but also she got a boy doll from Santa that came in a sack. Same brand. So like I'm wondering if I should just not have this in the sack and have it just like sitting out in the morning maybe. Something like that. We shall see. Oh my gosh. She really wanted a toddler. Cute. She's so cute. Hopefully that's not her coming out of her room. Cute. Her outfit's really cute too. I hope she loves her. Let's see what else it came with. A bunny, a diaper, a bottle, a pacifier, and a birth certificate. I'm excited to give that to her. She's still totally into dolls, and I still was too when I was 10, if I'm being honest. And I love that she still loves to play babies. A case for one of her gifts. Screen protectors for a gift. Okay, this is paints for her party. So all of her guests will get one of these that has 2 paintbrushes and all the different colors of paint. That's so fun and perfect. I thought that was easier than dealing with a bunch of paint. There was 28 sets in here. That's a lot. I'll have extras. I didn't mean to order this. Weird. Maybe I'll just give this to her. Here is one of her gifts. She still loves Barbies too. Uh-oh. Her big gift is missing. Okay. This is one thing I got for the kids to paint. They each get to like paint and decorate their own little chest. Yeah. I don't know where this thing is. I thought it got delivered. I'm gonna have to look at my Amazon again. And I also have, there's more stuff that's not here yet. I need to take a look at my Amazon, but that's okay because our party isn't for a couple more days and it's party stuff I'm missing. She wanted like part of her presents from us on her birthday and part of them on her at her party. So I think I'll give this to her tomorrow for her birthday. And then I have another Barbie set too that's in my bedroom. So I think she can get these tomorrow and she'll have to get her tablet on her party day. And there's a couple other little things. So yeah, I can't believe she's 10 tomorrow. My baby girl.